Have you ever wondered how software development cost is estimated? Well, it's not as simple as pulling a number out of thin air. It involves a complex process of predicting the amount of effort, time, and resources required to build a software product. This is where software development cost estimation comes into play. One widely used method for this is the Constructive Cost Model, or COCOMO. Developed by Barry Boehm in the late 1970s, COCOMO estimates the effort and cost of a project based on its size, measured in lines of code, and adjusts for various factors that influence development effort. It provides a structured framework for estimating project effort, cost, and duration based on project size and specific characteristics. Why is this important? Well, a precise cost estimation can significantly impact the success of a project. Understanding the COCOMO model can help you make more accurate estimates and manage your software development projects more effectively. So what exactly is the COCOMO model, you may ask? Well, let's take a stroll down memory lane to the late 1970s when the brilliant Barry Boehm developed this model. COCOMO, an acronym for Constructive Cost Model, is a software cost estimation model that has stood the test of time due to its effectiveness. At its core, the COCOMO model is designed to estimate the effort required for software development based on the size of the project. How does it do this? It uses the lines of code, or LOC, as a measuring unit for the project size. This is a simple yet effective way to quantify the work involved. But of course, there's more to it than just counting lines of code. The COCOMO model further adjusts this initial estimate based on various factors that influence the overall development effort. These factors include the complexity of the project, the experience level of the team, and the tools and technologies used. By considering these factors, the model can provide a more accurate and comprehensive estimation of the project's effort, cost, and duration. Now, what makes COCOMO particularly versatile is that it's not a one-size-fits-all model. It comes in 3 different flavors: Basic COCOMO, Intermediate COCOMO, and Detailed COCOMO, each with its unique strengths and use cases. While Basic COCOMO is perfect for making early-stage estimates, Intermediate and Detailed COCOMO can offer more precise estimates by considering a wider range of factors, but we'll get more into these types later on. In essence, the COCOMO model provides a structured approach to software cost estimation, enabling project managers to plan and manage their projects more effectively. It's a tool that turns the often daunting task of cost estimation into a more manageable and predictable process. Now that you have a basic understanding of what COCOMO is, let's delve a little deeper into its types. There are 3 types of COCOMO models: Basic, Intermediate, and Detailed. Each model offers unique features, and choosing the right one depends on your project's specific circumstances. Starting with the Basic COCOMO model, also known as COCOMO 1. This model is the simplest form, and it estimates effort based on the size of the software product, measured in lines of code, or LOC. Using a single equation derived from historical data and expert judgment, it provides early-stage estimates when detailed project information is not available. It's like a rough sketch, providing a quick overview without much detail. The next step up is the Intermediate COCOMO model, or COCOMO 2. This model extends the basic model by incorporating additional factors that influence software development effort. It introduces different modes, organic, semi-detached, and embedded, to account for variations in project characteristics and development environments. Think of it as adding some color to our sketch, providing a more detailed picture of the project's expected effort and duration. The third and most comprehensive model is the Detailed COCOMO, also known as COCOMO III. This model takes the estimation to another level by considering an extensive range of project attributes and factors. With over 150 cost drivers organized into categories like product, hardware, personnel, and project attributes, it provides highly accurate estimates. However, it does require detailed project information and extensive calibration based on historical data. It's like turning our sketch into a detailed painting, providing a full and nuanced picture of the project's expected effort and cost. Each type of COCOMO model has its own strengths and weaknesses. The basic model is simple and easy to use, but it lacks precision. The intermediate model offers more accuracy, but requires more project specifics. And the detailed model provides the most accurate estimates, but requires the most effort and data to use effectively. The choice of model depends on the specific circumstances of your project, including the available information, project complexity, and the level of accuracy required. each model serves as a tool to help project managers make informed decisions about their software development projects. There are several key concepts in COCOMO that you need to understand. Firstly, we have the concept of effort estimation. This is at the heart of COCOMO, as it provides an estimate of the total effort needed to complete a software development project. The effort is measured in person-months, which represents the cumulative amount of time that the team would need to invest to bring the project to completion. This is estimated based on the size of the software, measured in lines of code, and adjusted for various project-specific factors. Next, we have cost estimation. Once we have an estimate of the effort, we can derive an estimate of the cost. The COCOMO model provides this cost estimation by taking into account factors such as labor rates, overhead expenses, and other specific costs related to the project. It's important to remember that this is an estimation, a starting point, and actual costs may vary based on a variety of factors not accounted for in the model. Then there's schedule estimation. This is where COCOMO estimates the duration of the project. It does this by factoring in the estimated effort, along with productivity factors. These factors consider the number of team members and their productivity levels. This helps to provide a realistic timeline for the project, enabling better planning and resource allocation. Productivity factors are another key concept. These factors are used to adjust effort estimates based on specific characteristics of the project. These could include the team's experience, the development environment, and the complexity of the software being developed. Each of these could significantly affect the time and effort needed for the project, so it's crucial they are taken into account. Finally, we have cost drivers. These are a broad range of factors that can influence the effort and therefore the cost of software development. Cost drivers could include attributes of the product, hardware constraints, capabilities of the personnel, and constraints of the project. In the most detailed version of COCOMO, there are over 150 cost drivers considered, which help in providing a more accurate estimation. Taken together, these concepts form the backbone of the COCOMO model. They provide a comprehensive and adaptable framework for estimating the effort, cost, and duration of a software development project. It's worth noting that while COCOMO provides a solid starting point, it's essential to consider the unique requirements and constraints of each project when applying the model. With these concepts, the COCOMO model provides a comprehensive framework for estimating software development cost. So, that's a brief overview of the COCOMO model. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the fascinating world of software development cost estimation, focusing on the Constructive Cost Model, or COCOMO. This model, developed by Barry Boehm in the late 70s, provides a robust framework for estimating project effort, cost, and duration based on project size and other specific factors. We kicked things off with the Basic COCOMO, a simple yet effective model that provides a baseline estimation of effort based solely on the size of the software, measured in lines of code. It's a model that's particularly suited for those early stage estimates when you're still gathering detailed project information. Next, we explored the Intermediate COCOMO, which takes the basic model and dials it up a notch by considering additional factors that influence software development effort. It introduces different modes, like organic, semi-detached, and embedded, to account for project characteristics and development environments. With its allowance for project complexity, team experience, and development tools, it provides more accurate estimates than the basic model. Then we ventured into the realm of the Detailed COCOMO, the most comprehensive version of the model. It further refines effort estimation by considering an extensive range of project attributes and factors, with over 150 cost drivers grouped into categories like product, hardware, personnel, and project attributes. It provides highly accurate estimates, but requires an in-depth understanding of the project and extensive calibration based on historical data. Throughout all of this, we've seen how COCOMO uses concepts like effort estimation, cost estimation, schedule estimation, productivity factors, and cost drivers to provide a holistic view of software development costs. It's a complex, intricate model, yes, but it's also an incredibly powerful tool for software developers. Hopefully, this video has given you a better understanding of how software development cost can be estimated using the COCOMO model.